Who are you taking pictures for?
Myself. Don't touch me. This is the NC Tyrant Hunter. I'm doing a First and Second Amendment audit on Maxed Out Garage, Automotive and Collision. Going to see if they respect my rights to record in the open carry. I have my 380. I'm open carrying my 380 today. Small caliber. See if they respect my rights out here today, guys. While I got you guys, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my other two YouTube channels, Jeff is Here Live and Tyrant Hunter News. And absolutely make sure you hit that bell to get notifications. You can't get notified when I go live or upload a new video if you don't hit that bell. So you got to hit that bell so you don't miss none of my videos or none of my live streams. Look at that ride right there. I wonder what's under the hood. It looks like it's a beast, but you know, can't tell without looking at the motor. That's crazy. Hit me up in the comments if you like stuff like that. If you like to go fast, hit me up in the comment section and let me know how fast you like to go and what you go fast in. Yeah, hit me up. Let me know what kind of hot rod you got or what kind of hot rod you like. The old damn truck there. They moving them so they can cut grass. They moving it so they can cut some grass. Nope.
Who are you taking pictures for?
Huh?
Who are you taking pictures for?
Myself. Don't touch me.
For
Myself. Don't touch me.
Don't put the camera in my face. I'm just asking you a question.
I just told you I'm just recording.
You're just what?
I'm just recording. What does it look like I'm doing?
Why are you out here recording?
Because I can.
Okay.
Yeah. You better be glad you didn't touch me.
Okay.
Yeah, you would have had a bad day.
Yeah, you'd have called the cops.
No, I don't call the police.
I wasn't trying to touch you. I was just trying to...
I don't, yes you was. You reached out to touch me.
No, I didn't even try to touch you.
Yeah, you did. I got it on camera.
You just threatened me.
Yeah, right. It's all on camera.
No, you threatened me.
It's all on 2 cameras. You get that?
I hope so.
Right on.
Hey, sir, how you doing?
So,
What are you filming?
you?
I mean, why though?
Why not?
I'm just curious.
It's a beautiful day out here, man.
It is. You're welcome to come in and look at the cars and stuff.
I'm good out here. I didn't appreciate that other guy coming out here trying to touch me though.
Oh yeah, well, I don't know what was up with that. I'm the owner and I just told him not to be
I
messing with you.
appreciate you coming out here talking
Yes, sir.
to me. But he come out here and tried to grab me.
Did he? That's not acceptable
it's
at all.
on film. I got it on. I got it recorded.
That's not acceptable.
Yeah.
I'm the owner. Like I said, I just like he might be filming whatever. Who gives a shit what he's filming? You know.
Right. Well, that's what I'm saying. That's
So-
what. I mean, people freak out so much over
right.
camera
I was
nowadays.
like,
It's freaking ridiculous.
I said, we ain't doing nothing wrong. I said, he might just like cars, so we'll check the cars
Right.
out.
I mean,
You know?
I'm a First Amendment auditor.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you've heard of them. I'll give you a card. And what we do is a bunch of us, right?
Yes, sir.
Not many in North Carolina. I just go out to businesses and see if they respect my right to do this.
Absolutely. And I do.
It's the First
Yes, sir.
Amendment
Absolutely.
of the Constitution. I'm open carrying too, which is the Second Amendment.
Yeah, he's an employee.
I understand that, but he come out here and try to grab me.
I want to apologize.
No, that's fine, man.
Yes,
Hey,
sir. Like I said, you're welcome to.
I appreciate you coming
This
out.
is a public business. You're welcome to come in and do
Let me
whatever.
give you this card.
I'm about what you're doing.
If he would have come out and not tried to grab me, you know what I mean? I'd have probably been here for about 2 more minutes and then left.
Yes, sir.
And I really appreciate you coming out and
Yes, sir.
you know, introducing yourself. What's your name?
I'm Travis Beal.
Travis.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man. What we do is go around to businesses to make sure they respect our rights, to open
Absolutely.
carry and to record. It's the Constitution,
Well,
man.
we do. He's the employee. I don't know.
And I got you.
He come in here and told me, he's like, oh, I said, what in the hell? Who cares what
Yeah,
he's filming?
exactly. I'm not on nobody. I don't go on
I said,
people's
I said
property.
he can. I said, well, it's crazy to me because we got old hot rods. People come
Right,
here all the time and
right,
take
right,
pictures. I
right,
said,
right,
hell,
right.
he might just want to be, you know.
And I did. I like that sweet ride right there with
Yeah. Old
what
truck.
kind of motor's in it?
The truck,
No, the car right here.
this one,
Yeah, the white one with the damn
the Monte Carlo.
yeah.
It's got a blower motor on it. It's a whine, like a 177, one of the small blowers.
Oh, yeah?
Like 355 small blowers.
Right, right. I got you. It's sweet looking, man. I love the damn look of that. Well, I'll let you get back to work, man. I
Yes,
appreciate
sir.
you.
Yes, sir. It's
hey,
nice to meet you.
Have a great day, man.
And I'm
Check
sorry.
it out.
Yeah, and I apologize. I definitely will. Like I said, I appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah,
you know,
he didn't touch me or nothing, but he tried to.
You know, people should be able to go and do.
Right.
That's the point.
Like I said, it's the First Amendment of the Constitution.
Exactly.
Right to record. Free press is what I work on.
Well, people are just paranoid, you know.
Used to, though.
I was like, what are you paranoid? I said, what are you paranoid about? I
Right.
said,
Used to, people see a camera, hey, Mom, they don't do that shit no more. But you know what? Everywhere you go,
well,
there's
a lot
a
of it's
camera.
the negative impact of the media and
Right,
stuff, too.
yeah.
And, you know,
But
just
everywhere
people-
you go, you're being recorded. Everywhere.
Everywhere.
I mean, we probably getting recorded right now from
Oh,
the
yeah,
satellite.
drone, something.
You know what I mean? But have a good day, man. I appreciate you coming
Yes,
out
sir.
here.
I appreciate you.
Right
Thank
on,
you.
baby. Yeah,
I'll
man.
take you out.
Yeah, check it out.
I didn't call no police officer or anything. Like I said, I just figured I'd come out and speak
Right.
to you.
And that's what you should do.
It's your right to do whatever you want.
Right.
To, you know? I mean,
That's what you should. That's what business
I've been
you
to
should
war
do.
a couple times over that.
You
very
served?
thing, you know? Yes, sir.
All right, man. I appreciate that.
So yeah, I mean, we're. You know,
It's awesome, man.
I
All
told
right.
him, I said, it's his right to
Right on,
videotape
baby.
whatever he wants to.
Right on. As long as you know everything's good.
Yes,
Thanks
sir.
a lot, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. There you go, guys. It went from being handy to apologizing for his employee. They fixing to start mowing, so I'm gonna get out of here. Ah, shit. I gave him a couple cards. Everything's good now. All right, I'm gonna sign it off. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe to my other 2 channels, and always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.